Morning.
Morning, sir.
My name is Bruce. Now I want to ask how many of us read tech news? Tech blogs. Okay. So the fact that there are thousands of tech blogs, tech websites, out there. So if you want to get a particular tech news, or want to get a sample of what's going out there in the tech world, you have to go from one particular website to the next website. Just get a sample of what's going on in the tech world. Now, say you are EIT here at MEST. Anytime you hear the word tech news, you feel guilty because you haven't read the tech news. And it's a fact, it's a hassle, like getting news from different sources. It's not easy. So that's where Appy Geek comes in. So Appy Geek is a simple platform, or it's an app that basically lets you choose the kinds of tech news you want to read. Maybe you are an Android fan, maybe you are an iPhone fan, or maybe you like reading science news, or maybe tech news about novels. So with this application, you simply select the kinds of tech news you want to read, and you just relax. As Appy Geek just aggregates all these stories for you in one simple application. So with Appy Geek, you don't have to stress yourself. It really makes your life easy.